Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. You know that feeling someone's watching? We're going to talk about a real-life ghost in the machine. For years, a secret program held a master key to almost everything you did online. A silent observer, a true ghost in the machine. Its name was Prism. So what was Prism? Basically, a secret NSA program with a backdoor to our digital lives. Your emails, photos, even your video chats, pretty much all of it was accessible.
So how does a secret that big, operating for years, finally get exposed to the world?
Well, it's a story that starts post 9/11 and ends with one of the biggest leaks in history. And when the world found out, it sparked a massive global debate about our privacy. Before 2013, we trusted the internet. Now, here in 2026, that trust is pretty fractured. It completely changed how we see our government, tech companies, and our own data.
So if a secret like Prism can exist, how can you possibly protect your own digital life?
The good news is you can build your own digital fortress. It's actually pretty straightforward. These simple steps can shield your most personal information from any prying eyes out there. So the question is, what's next? Your awareness and your actions are the best defense you have. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.